Back here in our area, two 14-year-old boys hailed as heroes tonight for coming to the rescue of an elderly woman trapped in her submerged car in New Jersey during Saturday's violent downpour. That woman ignoring police cones, driving her car right into the flooded area and getting stuck. Talking to the young heroes and the woman they saved. Here's Eyewitness News reporter Jen Maxfield.
I don't think I would have made it without them.
81-year-old Elizabeth DeFusco believes God sent her two angels Saturday afternoon. 14-year-olds Luke Curiez and Mark Mifsud.
Ever since I was little, I've always wanted to be like a firefighter or an EMT, and I've always liked helping people out, and I saw that she needed help, so I went in and helped her.
During Saturday's torrential rainstorm, Luke and Mark were walking to a friend's house when they saw DeFusco struggling to escape from her car, which was almost completely submerged in water.
And I jumped in immediately, and then Luke came right after, and then I came and opened the door. And then Luke pulled her out of the car, and then we walked her out of the water.
She was shaking, drenched in water from the car, and she was worried while she was in there because the water kept coming in.
DeFusco says she was rushing home from a hair appointment to make it to church in time when she drove her Honda Accord into 5 feet of water on Maple Avenue in Glen Rock.
Then when I saw it coming in the car, I said, oh, I'm going to drown here. I got to get out.
There are signs in the area warning motorists that this section of Maple Avenue does flood, and police had even put up barricades on Saturday afternoon to stop people from driving through.
I'm getting old and I'm not too as sharp as I used to be, I guess. But I thank God for you, for the help you gave me.
Luke, a sophomore at Tenafly High School, says he'd like to be a paramedic, and Mark, a freshman at Glen Rock High, says he'd like to be a firefighter. After Saturday's save, they're both off to a great start.
I'm happy that I was there and able to help.
In Glen Rock, New Jersey, I'm Jen Maxfield, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.